The Odisha government has announced plans to build 800 new cyclone and flood shelters across the state's disaster-prone districts. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Suresh Pujari revealed the proposal on Thursday, stressing that these facilities will provide crucial protection for millions living under constant threat of nature's fury. During his visit to New Delhi, Pujari met Union Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss disaster preparedness. He said Odisha, battered regularly by cyclones and floods, need additional support from the centre to strengthen its disaster response. The minister highlighted that these shelters are essential to safeguard lives during emergencies. The proposed shelters will be strategically built near schools and coastal villages most at risk. While designed as safe havens they will also serve everyday community needs such as classrooms, training halls and venue for social gatherings, ensuring they remain active and well-maintained even in normal times. Odisha already has a network of cyclone shelters built after the devastating 1999 super cyclone, which proved critical in saving lives during Philin, Fani and Yash.
प्राकृतिक विपर्यय को मुकाबला करिवार जो सक्सेस स्टोरी तार मध्य 7टा बुकलेट आमे गृहमंत्री को प्रदान कलु एवं ओडिशा निरवच्छिन्न भाव में प्राकृतिक विपर्ययर शिकार होउछि तेणु से दृष्टिकोण प्राकृतिक विपर्यय जनित जहाँ छोट बड़ समस्या अच्छी से बाबद केंद्र सरकार सहायता मु लोड़ी आम आहरी 800 खंडे साइक्लोन एवं बन्या आश्रयस्थली करने चाहूँ जो लोक मैंने उपकृत हेबे।